I am Dr. D. Veeramanita, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, School of Engineering, Avinashalingam Institute for Home Science and Higher Education for Women, Coimbatore. I am going to tell about the basic principle of RC oscillators, construction and operation of RC phase shift oscillator. Generally, oscillator is a circuit which produces the output without applying any external input signal. The oscillator basic block diagram, which consists of an amplifier and the feedback network. The amplifier may be either BJT amplifier or FET amplifier. Generally, common emitter amplifier is used because of its high gain. The feedback network is made up of either LNC component or RNC component, that is inductor and capacitor or resistor and capacitor. Based on the elements available in the feedback network, the oscillators are categorized as LC oscillators or RC oscillators. Hartley oscillator, Colpitts oscillator, Clap oscillator are few examples for LC oscillators. RC phase shift oscillator, Weinbridge oscillator are few examples for RC oscillators. This is the circuit diagram of RC phase shift oscillator. In the construction, it has common emitter amplifier, biasing resistors R1 and R, which are used to provide the necessary bias to the circuit, bypass resistor and capacitor RECE respectively. And it has 3 RC pairs as the feedback network elements. To start the operation, initially an external source is connected to the base of the common emitter amplifier, which produces 180-degree phase shift to the input signal. In order to satisfy the Barkhausen criterion, this signal is given to the feedback network, where the feedback network should produce another 180 degree. Generally, simple RC network is expected to have an output which leads the input by 90 degree. Mathematically, the phase angle of the RC network is expressed as tan theta is equal to XE by R, but the capacitor used in the circuit cannot be ideal, so we cannot get the 90 degree. So that the values of R and C are adjusted, the angle produced by each RC pair is changed to 60 degree. Therefore, 3 into 60 degree, 180 degree. Thus, common emitter produces 180 degree, the feedback network produces another 180 degree, so the total phase shift is 360 degree. Thus, the Barkhausen criterion is satisfied. Now, the external source is removed, and the amplifier does not know whether the input is coming from either external or from the feedback network, and this process continues to produce the oscillations. Here, the frequency of oscillation of RC phase shift oscillator is defined as F is equal to 1 by 2 pi RC root N, where N is the number of RC stages in the circuit. In this circuit, we have 3 RC pairs, so F is equal to 1 by 2 pi RC root 6. Thank you.